Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about history of AI. Do you know what is the derivation for AI? Artificial intelligence. Under this topic we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence and its brief history, types, work of artificial intelligence, ways of artificial intelligence, AI programming cognitive skill and goals of AI at last, pros and cons of AI. First, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a method of making a computer controlled robot or a software think intelligently like the human mind. AI is accomplished by studying the pattern of the human brain and by analyzing the cognitive process. The outcome of these studies develops intelligent software and systems. Next, we discuss about a brief history of artificial intelligence. In 1959, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and had the first AI conference. In 1969, Sheke was the first general-purpose mobile robot built. It is now able to do things with a purpose. In 1997, Deep Blue, he was designed the supercomputer and it defeated the world champion chess player in a match. In 2022, the commercially successful robotic vacuum cleaner was created. In 2005 to 2019, Biden releases the linear fold AI logarithm to medical and scientific and medical team developing a vaccine during the early stage of the SARS-CoV-2 in COVID-19 pandemic. Below, there are history of AI. In 1943, evaluation of artificial neurons. In 1950, Turing machine. In 1956, birth of AI. In 1966, first chatbot. In 1972, first intelligence robot. In 1974 to 1980, first AI winner. In 1980, expert system. In 1987 to 1993, second AI winner. In 1997, IBM Deep Blue. In 2002, AI in Home. In 2011, IBM vs Watson. In 2012, Google Now. In 2014, chatbot Yugin. In 2015, Amazon Echo. Next, we discuss about types of artificial intelligence. There are four types: purely reactive, limited memory, theory of mind, self-aware. First, purely reactive. These machines do not have any memory or data to work with, specializing in just one field of work. For example, in a chess game, the machine observes the moves and make the best possible decision to win. And the second one, limited memory. These machines collect previous data and continue adding it to their memory. They have enough memory or experience to make proper decision, but memory is minimal. For example, this machine can suggest a restaurant based on the location data that has been gathered. And the third one, theory of mind. This kind of AI can understand thoughts and emotions as well as interact socially. However, a machine based on this type is yet to be built. And the fourth one, self-aware. Self-aware machines are the future generation of these new technologies. They will be intelligent, sentient and conscious. Next, we discuss about work of artificial intelligence. Artificial system work by merging large with intelligent iterative processing algorithms. This combination allows AI to learn from pattern and features in the analyzed data. Each time an artificial intelligence system performs a round of data processing, it tests and measures the performance and uses the result to develop additional expertise. Artificial intelligence make it possible for machine to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs and perform human-like tasks. Most AI examples that you hear about today, from chess playing computer to self-driving cars, rely heavily on deep learning and natural language processing. How does the artificial intelligence work? It involves 6 levels: cognitive computing, computer vision, machine learning, neural networks, deep learning, natural language processing. Next, we discuss about ways of implementing AI. There are two ways: machine learning and deep learning. If we give the input, it converts to decision tree and it become output. Deep learning. In this deep learning, if we give the input, it converts to feature extraction plus classifications and it converts into an output. Next, we see about work of deep learning. Deep learning has three layers: input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Deep learning is a neural network or artificial neural network attempt to mimic the human brain through a combination of data input, weight and bias. These elements work together to accurately recognize, classify and describe objects within the data. These are the things that involves deep learning process. Number 1, understands problem and whether deep learning is a good fit. Number 2, identifies relevant data sets and prepare them for analysis. Number 3, choose the type of deep learning algorithm to use. Number 4, trains algorithm on large amount of labeled data. Number 5, test the model's performance against unlabeled data. Next, we move to AI programming cognitive skills. There are three skills: learning, reasoning, self-correction. Artificial intelligence emphasizes three cognitive skills: self-correction skills that the human brain possesses to one degree or another. We define this in the context of AI as learning, the acquisition of information and the rules needed to use that information. And the second one, reasoning, using the information rules to reach definite or approximate conclusion. And the third one, self correction, the process of continual fine tuning AI algorithms and ensure that they offer the most accurate result they can. However, researchers and programmers have extended and elaborated the AI. Next, we discuss about goals of AI. There are 6 goals: logical reasoning, knowledge representation, planning and navigation, natural language processing, perception, emergent intelligence. The first one, logical reasoning. AI programs enable computer to perform sophisticated tasks. On February 10, 1996, IBM's Deep Blue computer won a game of chess against a former world champion, Garry Kasparov. And the second one, knowledge representation. Smalltalk is an object oriented, dynamically typed, reflective programming language that was created to underpin the new world of computing exemplified by human computer symbiosis. And the third one, planning and navigation, the process of enabling a computer to get from point A to point B. A prime example of this is Google's self-driving Toyota Prius. And the third one, natural language processing, set up computer that can understand and process language. And the fourth one, perception, use computer to interact with world through sight, hearing, touch and smell. And the sixth one, emergent intelligence, intelligence that is not explicitly programmed but emerges from the rest of the specific AI features. The vision for this goal is to have machines exhibit emotional intelligence and moral reasoning. Some of the tasks performed by AI enabled devices include speech recognition, object detection, solve problems and learn from the given data, plan an approach for future tests to be done. Next, we move to the advantages of AI. Number 1, It reduces human error. Number 2. It never sleeps, so it available for 24 hours into 7 days. Number 3. It never gets bored, so it easily handles repetitive tasks. Number 4. It is fast. If the content have an advantage, it should have the disadvantage. Next we move to the disadvantages of AI. Number 1. It is costly to implement. Number 2. It can't duplicate human creativity. Number 3. It will definitely replace some jobs, leading to unemployment. Number 4. People can become overly reliant on it. Thank you.